So this is the second exercise called operator overloading. So here I have structure called complex, and I have initialized two variables called real and imaginary, which will be initialized in the constructor called complex to the variables. So operator overloading is used when we have different types of operators in a particular program. The compiler should know what the particular operator will do. So when we have plus, minus and multiplication, it should say what the plus operator will do, what the minus operator will do, what the other operator will do. So here I have some operators which are multiplication, plus, minus, division, less than, greater than, then equal to and not equal to. So during this comparison operators, as greater than and less than and equal to and not equal to are the pairs. So when one operator exists, the other operator should exist. Like if less than is existing, then automatically the greater than should exist in the program. So equal to is there, and not equal to should be there, the opposite one. So here in my program, when I come to, so here are the two explicit functions, explicit operator and the implicit operator. So here in my main function, when we go to the main function, I have created two objectives for my constructor called complex. So when it starts compiling, it displays the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and greater than, less than or equality option. So when we give the option, it goes inside the switch case and it says sum equal to num1 plus num2. So automatically the program will go to the function plus here, and then here it adds the two numbers, where the two numbers are 3 and 4, which are called the real part and the imaginary part. 3 is the real part and 4 is the imaginary part. So when it goes to the addition operator, here it adds two numbers, c1 dot real, which is 3, and c2 dot real, which is 3. Imaginary is c1 dot imaginary is 4, c2 dot imaginary is 4. So it adds those two and displays the answer. So in the same way it goes with every operator. So implicit operator and explicit operator is like when we have int and double, we need to add those two. So automatically double should be converted to int, and then it should be sorry should so the double value should be converted to int, and then it needs to be assigned to the value, which is called the explicit converter. So when it goes to every operator, it checks everything, and it comes to equality, it checks for the equality, and then it converts into explicit casting, where real and imaginary parts are added together. So here we have 3 comma 4. So where the real and imaginary part cannot be added, it does the implicit conversion and it adds the both values, where we get the addition of two values. So when we run the program, so addition, it gives 6 plus 8i. When we subtraction, it gives 0. So when we check for uh, when we check for division, it gives 1 plus 1i, greater than or equal to is greater than the num1, and num1 is not less than num2. So when we check for equality, it says equal to each other, and the implicit conversion is equal to 7. Thank you.